beehive. Okay, NCI. First of all, we have the few lines about the writer's name, that is Subramanya Bharati. He is from South India. Okay, and he is a journalist, poet, and writer. Okay, and this poem has been originally written in Tamil, and this is the translated version we are reading. Okay, through before the start of this chapter, let's have the word stop. See, the word stop of this chapter is poking fun. It means making fun, making a joke upon someone. Okay, next one, weakling. Weakling means weak, doormat people. It means those people who are not strong, those who are very weak, fallible. Next one, frail, delicate and weak. Again, frail means delicate and weak. Rafter means the supporting pillar of a roof. It means the supporting, and that is the slope, not straightforward. Okay, the sloping pillar like this way. This is the roof and this is the supporting pillar. Okay. Firmly means strongly, hardly, or very hard. Affixed. Steadfast again means strong, stiff. Crumbling means decay and breakdown. Crumbling means to crumble down something, to break down something. Okay, my dear friends, now let's start the chapter. First of all, we will have the summary of this chapter. So, see, synopsis, written summary. Difficulties are part of our life. It affects only weak person and things. If we dare, we can overcome any challenge. So, any challenges. So, be strong mentally and physically. Through this poem, the poet beautifully symbolizes the idea of constructive and destructive aspect of wind. The wind symbolizes the challenges faced in our everyday life. We all face number of challenges and facing today and will face in the life. So, and the challenges destroyed completely to those person or things which is not strong or who are not strong, who are mentally weak, physically weak, and they have no desire to face the challenge. But always remember, challenges are our part and parcel of our life. It will come either in this way, or any form, any way, any process. We can't escape from the challenges of our life. So we must have to make ourselves strong mentally and physically and accept the challenge, move ahead. Without taking the challenges, facing the challenges, no one can move, no one can get his target or achieve the success in his or her life without facing it. If you want to climb the mountain, then we must have to get difficulties. If you want to be topper in your class, then you must have to work hard. If you want to be a billionaire, then you must have worked hard today, then you will be a billionaire. Similar way, the poet says, if we have capacity to face the challenges, then we can overcome the challenges. If we are mentally, physically, and in every way, if we are physically fit, mentally, and every socially fit, strong. Okay, now, and the writer also, poet also suggests us, we the human beings, among us never dare to face challenge. They want to simply escape. But escaping a problem is not the way of our life. If we want to have a free life full of pleasures, then we must have to face the challenge. Okay, my dear students, before that we will have go through the line by line of this chapter so that you can understand all things in better way and without having any doubts. Okay, let's start. This is the NCERT book of your class 9, Beehive, chapter the wind. Okay, let's start. See, the wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. Whenever the wind blows, it always causes destruction. Okay, how can we make friends with it? How we can make a friendship? How can shake hands? How we can make ourselves ready to face the challenges? Okay, see. Wind come softly. It means the wind is coming very in a swift way, having slow motion like this. Swimming. Okay, slow motion. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. It means these are the activities generally caused or done by the wind whenever it blows. Okay, it normally scatters. It means scatter here and there the papers, scatters the windows, and number of things. See, don't throw down the books on the shelf, the place where we keep the book. There, look what you did and see what you have done. The poet is saying to the wind, these are the activities, these are the destructions have been caused by you. See, you threw them all down, you tore the pages of the books. These are the activities. Tore means broken. You brought rain again. It means whenever the wind blows, there is a more possibility of coming of rain. Okay. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. It means you are very clever. You are easily destroyed to those who are weak, either the person or things. If our house is weak, it will be destroyed. If I am weak, I will be destroyed by the difficulties of our life, difficulties of yours. These are the things, and you generally make fun upon weak person. Frail means delicate, again weak. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. These are the things that you crumble, you brought down. Hearts. It means the person who is not strong by heart. They generally are sick. They generally feel fear whenever the simple or general problems comes to their life. It means they generally have got hesitations to face the challenges, simple problems of the life. The wind god winnows and crushes the know. We all know the wind god. Simply everything that is the separate way have got. Similarly, that is called Vayu Devta. Okay, and winnowing is the process we have read in class 6. Winnowing is the process of separating husk from the grains. Okay, science. And crushes them all. Crushes means making the smaller parts and making them apart. Okay. We won't do what you tell him. It means the wind, whenever it blows, it doesn't listen to anyone. It means the problem of life never asks anyone that I am coming in your life. It will come automatically. It is the part of our life. When we breathe, it is the part of our life. Similarly, the problems of our life, it is very urgent part, and it has been said, if there would be no any problem in our life, then our life will be useless and futile, having no meaning of life. So my dear students, if you want to have a meaning in your life, then you must have problems in your life. If you enjoy the real happiness, the real happiness, the real fruits of your success, you can enjoy only when you have faced a lot of difficulties in your life. If you have got anything, if suppose if you have acquired the post of bank manager by bribing some officers, by giving some money, then you will never enjoy, never know the meaning how one get the post of manager or any prestigious post. And if you have got the post of manager by working hard, having the hard labor in your life, then you will understand the happiness, enjoyment are fruits of your life. Okay, next. We won't do what you tell him, so come, let's build strong houses, let's join the doors firmly, practice to form the body, make the heart steadfast. It means the poet is now saying we have no control over the wind. That's why we have to be careful and we have to mentally, physically and in all ways strong enough to face the challenges, any type of challenges of our life. It may be the window or anything. Okay, next one. Make the heart steadfast. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. It means the poet is telling, be strong and don't forget, don't fear from the wind. Let's fight. Make a friendship. Okay? The wind blows out weak fires. It means the problems affect those who is not strong. Weak fire, it means suppose you may call Deepak a candle, but it never affects the fire big heat. It provides an opportunity to those who is strong. It similarly, when we fight with something, and if we are strong, that will be easy. If we are feeble, if we are not strong, it will affect us. Okay? Now see, he makes strong fires, roars and flurries. He makes strong fires, roar. Roar means shining. Flurries means moving from here and there and got any chances. And last one, his friendship is good. We praise him every day. It means we must have a friendship with the difficulties of our life so that we can do anything without having hesitation. My dear friends, must have patience. Make strong yourself so that not our difficulties and affect your life, and you will have a victory over the difficulties of your life. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribe my channel and so that you will get all the notifications. Thank you. Don't forget to put your comments.